Another day, another story.
Mukesh Ambani is an Indian business magnate and the chairman and largest shareholder of Reliance Industries Limited, RIL, a conglomerate with interests in petrochemicals, refining, oil, and telecommunications. His life story is indeed motivational and showcases his remarkable success in the business world. Mukesh Ambani was born on April 19, 1957, in Aden, Yemen, to Dhirubhai Ambani and Kokilaben Ambani. His father, Dhirubhai Ambani, was a visionary entrepreneur who founded Reliance Industries, which started as a small textile business and grew to become one of India's largest conglomerates. Mukesh Ambani completed his early education in Mumbai and later pursued chemical engineering at the Institute of Chemical Technology, formerly known as the University Department of Chemical Technology. He then went on to obtain an MBA from Stanford University in the United States. After completing his education, Mukesh Ambani returned to India and joined Reliance Industries in 1981. Under his leadership, the company expanded its operations beyond textiles into petrochemicals, refining, and oil exploration. He played a significant role in transforming Reliance Industries into a diversified and global enterprise. One of Ambani's most significant achievements was the establishment of the world's largest grassroots petroleum refinery at Jamnagar in Gujarat, India. The refinery complex has the capacity to process 1.24 million barrels of crude oil per day. This project positioned Reliance Industries as a major player in the global energy sector. Mukesh Ambani's vision and business acumen also played a crucial role in revolutionizing the telecommunications industry in India. In 2016, he launched Reliance Jio Infocom Limited, a telecom subsidiary of Reliance Industries. Jio disrupted the market by offering high-speed internet services at affordable prices, leading to a massive increase in internet penetration across the country. This move transformed India into the world's largest consumer of mobile data. With Jio's entry into the market, millions of people gained access to affordable internet services, and the company rapidly gained a substantial subscriber base. Ambani's vision of a digital India and affordable connectivity for all has had a profound impact on various sectors, including e-commerce, entertainment, and education. Mukesh Ambani's contributions to the business world have earned him numerous accolades and recognition. He has consistently been featured in Forbes' list of billionaires and is regarded as one of the wealthiest individuals globally. Additionally, he has received several awards for his leadership and contributions to the Indian economy. Apart from his business achievements, Mukesh Ambani is known for his philanthropy and social initiatives. He and his wife, Nita Ambani, actively support various educational, healthcare, and rural development programs through the Reliance Foundation. Ambani is also involved in promoting sports in India, and he owns the Mumbai Indians, a successful franchise in the Indian Premier League, IPL. Mukesh Ambani's life story is an inspiration to aspiring entrepreneurs and business leaders worldwide. Through his vision, leadership, and innovative ideas, he has transformed Reliance Industries into a global powerhouse and played a significant role in shaping India's business landscape. His focus on digital connectivity and his commitment to social initiatives have had a transformative impact on the lives of millions of people in India.
Thanks for watching.